Hello, and welcome to Module 3 of Unit 1. This is our new module for the week. Today is day 1, Monday, October 5th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you're going to watch this video. Then you're going to click Async. Today, for Async, you are going to do a Nearpod on making inferences. Click the link. We have done several Nearpods, so it's pretty much the same thing. You type your name, you click join lesson, and you go through and you take notes. You read and take notes. Read and take notes. Read and take notes. Read and take notes. There's a video. Read the conversation, answer a question. Remember, you have to answer. In this slide, you have several questions to answer. Who are these people? Who is A? Who is B? Where are they? What are they doing? What do you think will happen next? You will write all your answers here in this box. I only chose to answer one question. But when you guys do it, you have to answer all the questions. Click submit. Then you'll do a quiz. Okay. Read the questions, and all of these are based on what you learned about inferences. And I have to answer, remember, you have to answer all of the questions in order to continue. Okay. You have to answer, there are 5 questions. When you're done, you submit, and then you'll see your grade. All right. Then you watch another video, and this is fill in the blank. Now to do this, you click and drag what you think is which word goes in the box. And you click done. And then next. Here, this is a video to watch after the video. Excellent. And that's it. Now not for async, we just finished async. So for async, you only have to do the Nearpod. Then we will go to sync. So today is Monday, so we will have Zoom class together. And these are the things we will do. We'll talk about inferences. Okay, talk about inferences. We will make inferences in small group, and we will do some speaking in small group. And that's it for today. Good luck.